A lot of information about CAR T cells and immune cell therapies at large. Yesterday morning I was participating in one of the plenary sessions, and we had 3 talks illustrating the different avenues for development in the field. So Michel Sadelin woke up very early in New York City and joined us to illustrate future developments, future technological developments in the field of CAR T cells, manipulating epigenetics mechanism, how can you improve persistence, how you can improve the function of CAR T cells that will come in the not so distant future, actually. The second presentation was by Claire Roddy from University College in London, and Dr. Roddy showed results of ongoing trials that evaluate either combination of CAR T cells or bispecific CAR T cells to address the need of patients who relapse after receiving what I would call conventional commercial CAR T cells that target only one tumor antigen. And finally, I wrapped up the session covering the safety profiles of commercially available CAR T cells and how can you deal with these side effects, with this array of side effects, and make sure the patient receives the safest treatment. Probably the major lesson this year is that this new class of medicinal products that actually was authorized for the first time in 2018 in Europe, so that's only 4 years ago, less than 4 years ago, will be moving, at least for patients with relapsed diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, from third-line therapy to second-line therapy in the near future, in the next few months, since we recently had access to the results of 3 randomized trials evaluating CAR T cells as an alternative to the current standard of care, which is salvage chemotherapy, and in responding patients, high-dose consolidation chemotherapy plus autologous transplantation. 2 of those trials were positive, 1 is negative, so we can expect that at least 2 of the products are likely to be approved by EMA in the near future. One of them was already approved by the FDA in the USA. So all the specialists in lymphoma are expecting CAR T cells to move up to the second line, which will have a significant impact on medical practices for this group of patients, including the need to administer or no longer administer auto transplantation.